Want online privacy without paying a monthly subscription? What if I told you there's a free VPN that takes less than 2 minutes to set up and doesn't even require an account? Welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you a very quick and easy way to download a really nice VPN, and the best part is that it's completely free. Head over to Google and simply type Urban VPN. Go to the official website, look for the products section at the top, and click Download Free VPN for Windows. Then select the free version and download it. This VPN is completely free to use. You don't need to register, create an account, or sign up for anything, which is fantastic. If you prefer, you can also use the browser extension, but today we're installing the full desktop version. Once downloaded, install it, accept the terms, and click Install. After installation, open the application. You'll notice a very clean and tidy interface. There's no need to log in, just click Continue Free and ignore the premium offer. And bingo, you're in. As you can see, the interface is simple and easy to navigate. Head over to the settings if you'd like to disable launch on startup or choose whether the app runs in the background. It's entirely up to you. You also get access to a long list of countries. Simply select a country, and the VPN will start connecting automatically. It's literally a one-click operation, almost as easy as changing a Wi-Fi network. Now let's test the performance. I'm connected to a USA server. And as you can see, the speed is actually quite decent. For a free VPN, it's more than usable for browsing, streaming, and improving your privacy online. Now let's try another country closer to the UK. Connection is quick, and the speeds are fairly similar. Some countries will be faster than others depending on server load and distance, but overall the experience is surprisingly good for a free VPN. Let's connect to France and see how it performs. And as you can see, the speed is actually quite decent. Here's a little geeky test. Let's see how well it masks our IP address. If we visit a What's My IP website, you'll notice that it shows the location of the country we've selected. That's exactly what we want. You can see it's now showing France instead of our actual location. That's a good indication that everything is working correctly. Overall, this VPN is simple to use, offers decent speeds, provides a good level of privacy, and gives you access to a large selection of countries. The interface is clean, there are only a few settings to worry about, and connecting is as easy as selecting a country and clicking once. If you're looking for a free VPN solution, this is definitely one worth trying. And before you go, here's a question for the tech enthusiasts. What's the first country you would connect to and why? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tech tips, tutorials, and privacy guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.